Well, here it is again, the 20-inch Hayer box fan. Pretty much the only box. This is pretty much the oldest box fan I own. To ever be made. I can hear a fly buzzing, but yeah. Okay, but this is a really unique box fan, to be honest. So you guys probably know already that this fan is made by Lakewood. It is made by Lakewood, as you can tell by the blade. The blade is very similar to my Aerospeed box fan model BX100. I finally got the model name. It's BX100. Model number. It's BX100, not like 101. And then the middle, which looks like a smaller box fan grill. It kind of looks like one of those early vintage Lascos. This thing right here in the middle. I'm not sure. I don't even know what that is. There's a warning label that says the thing is not supposed to be used in a window. I mean, all these other box fans, they are able to be used in a window. I could tell why this is an older one, because this thing is much heavier. This is like the average weight of a standard high velocity fan. It has the exposed motor. Like it's not covered up like the other box fans that I have. It's just exposed, which is kind of cool. And with all the box fans they own, except for the Utilitech, they don't have their stabilizing feet, so they will fall over like that in operation. The handle does rock back and forth, which is kind of nice. The other ones do not. The switch is flat. And this actually starts from low. Those start from high. So I got it right there. Let's start with low. Even at low speed, it's actually quite noisy. Get the flies out of here. No, it's actually not that noisy, actually, but in the middle, where the grill slats are smaller, I cannot feel it. It mainly is blowing out air out to the side. Medium? Wait, okay. That's quite a big difference in speeds. We're at medium and low. And here's high speed. Oh, that's actually throwing out the air. Zipper in the middle, but wow, the air is actually pretty decent. Well, there's off. Spin down time is also pretty decent, but there's actually I think there's a crack in the hub. You guys can see that thing spinning there. All right, let's stop this real quick. I think it's right there. You may not be able to see it, but it's there, but it's not. I think this has the wagon wheel hub. So thanks for watching. Peace.